Welcome to day 7 of Simple and Stretchy, where we figure out for ourselves how simple and good a few minutes of stretching can be. And today is all about putting everything together in some really useful and usable seated twists. So to do that, we're going to sit, and we can sit on a chair, we can sit on a couch, we can sit on a couple of pillows, but we're going to sit so that we feel tall. And then we're going to take our left hand and push it down into our left thigh, and our right hand goes behind our back. From here, we're going to find the length that we found in so many of our other practices together. We're going to rotate. Now, push your hand down into your leg and push your back hand into your back and find length. And what we're doing is we're using our strength to find some length. Spin your body around and come back to the center. Other side. So I'm pushing my hand down into my thigh and my back hands go into my back. Rotating. So you'll notice that yes, we're totally doing this nice healthy twist, but we're also opening up the shoulder, right? Finding some space in the side waist. Push your hand down into your thigh. Push your back hand into your back. Use your strength to find more length. So good. So now, same idea. We're going to do one more movement, but if you're sitting cross-legged or one leg in front, get the other leg in front. And we're going to once again take the hand on the thigh, but now we're going to get the arm super straight and we're going to reach it around. And then once it's around, you're going to come back to the center and you're going to take it back. And what we're looking for is using leverage or using the strength and mobility in our chest and shoulders to find a little bit more space in the body. We need to keep it very simple and very stretchy. Let's get one more. Back to the center. And then before we rush to the other side, notice the difference. Just a couple of minutes of good stretching, of what that can do. Opposite. So we're going to take this, press one hand down, and then your other arm gets straight, and you're going to go back. And if for any reason this is too much, you get the arm down to the floor. But see if you can use all of the awareness, all of the mobility, all of those little tips and tricks we did all for the past few practices to get something new, right? To find something new in the body you've lived in all your life. To keep it simple, to keep it stretchy, and to discover for ourselves how good a few good minutes of stretching can be. Such good work. Notice the space in the sideways. Notice the space in the hips, the back, the whole body. Thank you for letting me share this simple sequence of practices with you. And I hope that you continue to keep it simple and stretchy. And remember, just a few minutes of stretching a day really does make the whole day better. Reach out with your questions. I am here.